Done an engine swap on my mini chopper. Welcome back to the shop. My name is Rat Rod Bob, and I build stuff. Wonder who built this thing. Oh, Rat Rod Bob. Imagine that. Done an engine swap on my mini chopper, getting it ready for next weekend, 8th and 9th at Gulfport Dragway, the Rat Rod event. I need a pit bike to get around, so yeah. Some of you guys remember me building this a few years ago. I had this little old Clinton, about the same size, but only about 2 horsepower. And this one is 7.5 horsepower, almost 4 times the horsepower and a lot less, not near as heavy. That Clinton motor's heavy. That's the cast iron, that one's aluminum. So yeah, this one's a lot lighter than the Clinton and more powerful. Does great. I got that engine off of eBay. It's basically the same as a Predator or Harbor Freight, but it's not called a Predator, but basically it's the same thing. 210 cc's, the Predator's 212, so. And of course, it was aluminum block, red cover, white gas tank. Yeah, I wasn't having that. So I had to do my famous silver rub over it. Let's have a look at it. What do you think about that? Springer front end. I mean, what's a chopper without a Springer front end? Gotta have that. Got the wide tire on the back. Actually, it's a golf cart tire, but hey, it looks cool, don't it? Yeah, I got the fishtail exhaust going on there. Header wrap. In just a few more days, I'll be done completed my 70th trip around the sun. But hey, yeah, that's a lot of times around the sun. But hey, I feel like a kid still. I mean, I just got a lot of kid in me. I mean, look at this. Yeah. So growing old is not an option, but growing up is. But anyway, every few years, I treat myself to a birthday present. And there it is, the latest edition of Rat Rod Bob builds. The Mean Green Fun Machine. .5 cc's, a screaming high RPM, 2-stroke tire peeling power. Get it. Oh, buddy. Whoa, now. A 1/5 scale. It's got pretty much everything too. I mean, it's got the suspension, rear suspension, I mean, it's tough. I mean, you can pick it up and drop it. No problem. So that's what I've been doing the last few days. Repowering the mini chopper and playing with my new birthday present. Hey, don't get no better than that. Today's Saturday. I think I'm gonna take tomorrow off at pay, and Monday get started back on this. My front axle is turning to rust. I can't have that. So, yeah, spindles, rotors, everything rusting up. Except for the anodized stuff ain't rusting, but everything else pretty much is. So, I gotta fix that. I'm gonna have to break it down, paint that axle and stuff. But anything that's rusting is gonna get paint. Hairpins too, they ain't rusting much, but they're gonna get a coat of paint too. I gotta do it, and then start fitting the doors next week. So Friday, I got a Wesley's to get Dirty John and get ready for Saturday morning to go to Gulfport event, rat rod event, and bring all my toys. Yeah, I got a pit bike now. I can get around the pits easier. You know, my arthritis can't walk much, but I can ride that as long as it's running. If I don't break it, it'll be fine. They got a dirt track there. They used to run ATVs, four-wheeler stuff around the dirt track. And it might be rutted up grass, I don't know, but I'm bringing Mean Green machine. And who knows, if the track's not growed up, I might run it around the track. I'm gonna bring my camera, we'll see what happens. You see, I've been busy doing other things. This year's already got dust on it. Got dust up on it, so I gotta clean that too. Old Mean Green done slung rocks everywhere up in here. The whole shop, even in front of the car. All the way back there, all the way up here. Look at the rocks. Man, now I gotta sweep the whole shop. Hey, if you gotta play, you gotta pay. I know some of you are thinking it, and you're probably right. In the near future, I'm gonna be out in the front yard, build me some ramps and jump that Mean Green machine. I'm not gonna make the channel about that, but I mean, I gotta take a break every now and then, and I'll take you guys along for a ride, just a few minutes of bashing the Mean Green fun machine. But yeah, that's what's happening at the little shop where dreams come true. I appreciate you. See you next time.